In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on reverse wireless charging on your Moto Edge 50 Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Reverse wireless charging is a technology that allows you to wirelessly charge other devices by placing them at the back of your main smartphone, in this case the Moto Edge 50 Pro, and it is going to consume the battery of the main smartphone until it is sufficiently charged. So in these examples, you can see a phone being charged, a smartwatch being charged, and a set of earbuds. You can enable this feature on the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. All that you have to do is go into the settings and then access the battery category. Once you go inside of the settings and you choose battery, the one that you are looking for is power sharing. So instead of looking for wireless reverse charging, look for power sharing. This is what they name it on the Moto devices. And when you choose it here, you will be able to enable the option. So make sure that this is ticked on. And as soon as you take this option on, you are good to go. You can now physically place other devices at the back of your Moto Edge 50 Pro and they will begin charging. So as you can see, power sharing lets your phone charge another wireless charging compatible device. Your phone may not be able to charge another device when your battery is low. So just keep that in mind. You are going to get a brief introduction with images that you can follow. So for the best results, make sure that you follow all the instructions and you position the device at the back of the Motorola smartphone properly, like this, as close to the center as possible. This will work for other Moto models as well. So for example, the Moto Edge 40. And as long as you enable the option power sharing, you will be able to get this working. This will work with any device that is capable of using wireless charging, and you can enable or disable this option at will. Just go over to the settings, find power sharing, and you will be able to change it here. Once your phone gets low on battery, it should stop charging the other devices automatically to conserve a little bit for its own good. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on reverse wireless charging in Moto Edge 50 Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.